Merlin Woods is a beautiful 340-acre urban woodland located in the east of Galway City. It is the largest and oldest urban woodland within Galway City and is hugely popular with families, walkers and nature enthusiasts. Merlin Woods is home to a large variety of native wildlife, such as the red squirrel, foxes, wild orchids and various species of birds, butterflies and other insects, and is therefore of high conservation value. COLAS proposed a green alternative to Galway City Council to enhance the walkways, which involved recycling the existing walkways, followed by a double surface dressing. A corrective aggregate was distributed onto the surface of the existing pavement prior to the recycling operation, to ensure maximum density and strength of the pavement. The recycler milled or pulverized the existing road surface to the target depth, mixing it with the corrective aggregate to form a new granular layer. The newly formed layer was then graded to the required profile and compacted using a roller to form the new pavement layer, in preparation for a double surface dressing of 10mm aggregate followed by 6mm aggregate. Tight and hard to reach areas were surface dressed using the Combi unit, which is compact and thus provides optimal manoeuvrability. The Combi unit consists of a bitumen emulsion tank, spray bar, hopper for chips and gritter, all on the same chassis. Most of the site was surface dressed using a bitumen emulsion sprayer, followed by aggregate application using 2 non-tipping rolling floor gritters. The double layer of surface dressing applied seals the recycled pavement layer from any water ingress and provides the required texture. Surface dressing with bitumen emulsion technology is the most environmentally friendly road resurfacing technique, in addition to being the most cost-effective solution. The newly surface dressed area was subsequently rolled by a multi-wheel rubber tire and steel drum roller to provide optimum compaction. Pavement recycling followed by surface dressing has become an increasingly popular technique for the maintenance and rehabilitation of roads. From an environmental perspective, less energy is required, as the aggregates do not have to be heated. The recycling process also reduces the use of valuable natural resources. This recycling job in Merlin Woods eliminated the need for 1,000 tons of aggregate compared to a traditional overlay process, which equated to the elimination of 50 vehicle movements to and from the site. This significantly minimized disruption to the public and wildlife and reduced CO2 emissions by 740 tons.
So I really appreciate this job because we can, first thing, we can see families walking here every day, dog walkers, so especially if it's raining or whatever, so we really appreciate this.
COLAS is actively promoting pavement recycling under our Go Green with COLAS initiative. Check out our Go Green with COLAS website to find out more about our environmentally friendly products and solutions and how we are helping our customers around the world to reduce their carbon footprints. To find out more about COLAS and our products and services, please check out our website. If you would like more information, please go to the Contact Us section of our website, where you will find a variety of ways to reach us. Also, please check us out on our YouTube channel and LinkedIn page to keep up to date with the most recent news, multimedia and information. Thanks for watching.